Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. UIM 8.0. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors black, blue. Frequency 2G band SIM1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU octa-core. Chipset high silicon Kirin. Display technology LPTS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.8 inches. Resolution 1080 by 2280 pixels, ~432 ppi. Memory built-in 64 GB built-in, 4 GB RAM or 128 GB built-in, 6 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Camera main triple 12 MP, f/1.7, OIS, plus 20 MP, f/1.7, plus 2 MP, dual LED dual tone flash, laser autofocus. Features Leica optics, 2x lossless zoom, phase detection, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p. Front 24 MP, autofocus, f/2.0, 1080p. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA, EDR. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. NFC No. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, front-mounted, gyro, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP3/EAC+/WAV/FLAC player, SVID MP4/H.265 player, 24-bit/192 kHz audio, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, LiPo non-removable. Fast battery charging.